the futures trading. And that's where like you can make a lot of money and you can lose a lot of money easily, right? That's futures trading or derivatives, anyone you want to call it. Futures trading is like sports trading, but with added, salt in it. What do I mean by salt? Leverage, right? Now, for example, if I buy a token on spot and the token should increase, let's say 10%, right? And I make $10 in profit. If another person that is trading futures should buy that token or that coin using 10x leverage, and the token should pump 10%, while you are making, the spot trader, while you are making $10, that person is making $100. Is making 10x what you made. And you guys invested or you guys risked the same amount. That's the power of leverage. And that's what futures or derivatives trading is. It simply means trading using what? Leverage. It can maximize the profit you make, and also it can maximize the losses you will make. Let me show you guys how to start taking trades using the futures side of the crypto industry, right? And for those of you that are taking signals, I drop signals. You don't need to be a professional for you to be making money from futures. You can just click on the link in the description. Join my Telegram group where I drop free signal. Now, let me show you guys practically how you can use the futures trading aspect of the crypto market. If you check the bottom, you are going to see futures. You have to just click on futures and it will take you directly to the future side of the market. In this example, we are still using the WEEX. If you want to trade futures, if you sign up with the link in the description and register, they are going to charge you like lesser fee just because you sign up with the link. Let's proceed here. You can click on assets. If you click on assets, you are going to see futures. You are going to see sports, funding, and whatever. Then click on what? Futures, right? And here, when you click on futures, you see that we don't have any money in it. So we have to transfer money inside. So you say transfer, right? We transfer from funding to futures. So let's click on $100. Transfer successful. Let's check. As you can see, within 1 second, like less than a second, our money is there. Then you click on trade, or you go back, click on futures, anyone. Or from there, you just click on trade. Our $100 is there. If you check our available balance. Now, for example, you were given a signal. You're given a signal. Let's use my Telegram group as example. How do you place a trade? So just like I said, I have the free Telegram group and I have the paid one, the VIP. I drop signal in both, still drop free trades. So let's use the VIP one because that's the one that I gave them signal recently, and then we made money, as you can see. So all you have to do is come here, click on this BTC, you change it to LA. Yeah, you can see LA USDT. That's what the signal said, LA USDT. Then you click on LA USDT. It says enter a market price. So if it is limits, you click on limits and then you set the price the signal provider gave you or your analysis gave you. But since it's market price, you click on market. Market will execute immediately. Then you write the amount you want to risk. Now, avoid using percentage like this. The drawing the percentage, no. Write the amount is better. $10. I want to risk $10. I have $100. I want to risk $10 with what? 10x leverage. So you click on that 20x. That's your leverage side. You click on it and then you adjust it to what? 10x leverage. Meaning if this trade should go my way, I'm going to make 10 times of what? $10. Meaning I'm going to make $100 in profit. Meaning if this trade should go your way now, you are going to make, you deposited $100 and you're going to make what? Another $100, which means you flipped your account to 200. But if the market should go against you, if the stop loss is small, maybe you will lose $10 or $20. It all depends on your risk management. So take profit and SL, you click on that icon for take profit and for SL. Say take profit is 0.1695. 0.1695. That's our take profit, yeah? And our SL is 0.3608. 0.3608. Now that we've set our take profit and we'll set our SL. Are we too long or too short? Let's go back to the signal. The signal says short, meaning we should sell. Meaning the person had done his analysis and is expecting the market to crash. So as a trader, you make money whether the market is going down or market is going up as a futures trader. But spot traders is only when the market is going up, that's when you make money. If it's going down, you are losing money because you are buying an asset and you are keeping it as an investment. Okay? So what should we do now? They say we should short, so you just click on short. Once you click on short, it's going to appear on position. As you can see, our trade is running already, right? Showing in position. And as you can see, the numbers are changing. If the market should continue going down, you are going to see it to turn green and then you start seeing profits, right? If the market should go up, you keep seeing red until it hits your stop loss and then you go out of the market. Just like you can see now, it's showing green. So if it should continue going down, it should be showing you green, meaning you are in profit. You see $2, $3, $4, $10, $20, $50 until you hit your take profit, and then market will close you out automatically in profit. Or if you want to just, maybe you are panicking, you don't want it to reduce, you can just close it manually, which I don't recommend. Always follow the advice of the person that provides that signal for you. But at the end of the day, you seeking for the knowledge and doing it on your own is more better. So that's basically it for futures trading. So trade with caution. If you want to start trading, you can use the same exchange I'm using. You can use the WEEX exchange. You can go to your App Store or Google Play Store, download the app, register with my link in the bio so that you get some welcome bonus on your first deposit as a first-time user. And if you're looking for a place to get maybe free signals or market updates, still click on the link in the description. You will see my signal group, Ahmed Free Signal, on Telegram. You join, I drop free market updates and free signals on a daily basis. And if you want to learn how to trade, still click on the link on the description. You will see my academy's website, which is excelacademy.net, to learn how to trade.